Welcome to another edition of Eric's Spark Reviews. I'm Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing demo review of the iATO real wood case for iPhones. They make these for iPhones 13 series, 14, 15, and 16. So these cases are available for phones in any of those series. I have the 16 Pro Max, so that's what we're going to be trying it out on today. And these cases are real wood cases. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up because I know you want to see what it looks like. And here you have it. This is the case, and again, this is natural wood. It's a natural wood overlay on top of a TPU PC shell, so it's going to give you protection, but then it's got that really beautiful, this is actual wood, real wood overlay for a very unique look. And they have different types of woods with different gradations and shading, so this isn't the only one. This is just the one that I have, but you can check out all the different ones I have because they have a lot of different ones to meet your taste. All very beautiful and elegant looking. So this is what it looks like. Let's take a quick look on the inside. You can kind of see, if I can get a close up there, you can kind of see there's like the hexagon pattern around the edges to help for protection, as well as little air pockets in the corners to help guard against drops. This is rated to protect your phone up to about 6-foot drop, so that's great. And a nice soft inside. And then this is also MagSafe compatible, so which is important if you have an iPhone. So let's get my phone in there so we can see what it looks like on the phone. And there you go, you can see. Nice raised bezel there around the camera bump to protect your camera lenses. You've got a cutout here for the camera button if you have a phone that has that. You've got a cover over the power button, and very nice, kind of very tactile, feels just like it is the button, which is great. You've got a little place you can connect like a little lanyard or something if you want to. On the bottom here, you've got cutouts, perfect cutouts for the speakers as well as for your Type-C charging port. Over on the other side here, once again, you've got covers for the multi-function button here and the volume rockers here. And again, those are very, very tactile feel, very easy. Like I like they're slightly raised, just like the buttons on the phone itself, and so easy for you. And on the top here, you've got just a slightly raised lip, so if you're laying your phone face down, you're going to be protected. And yeah, it's a really nice looking case. Just love that natural wood. It just looks really, really cool. It doesn't add a lot of bulk. You know, it's a TPU PC shell, so typical thickness for that is going to add a little bit of thickness to your phone, but not overly bulky. Especially having that wood overlay, you would think that would make it really bulky, but it doesn't. I'd say average thickness on that. And you've got the nice logo, very subtle iATO logo down on the bottom there. Now, of course, like I said, this is MagSafe compatible, and I know you're going to want to see that in action, so let's check that out. So as you can see, I've got the phone on a MagSafe charger here. This is my jiggle test. Put it on here, jiggle around, and you can see it's holding on just fine. No issues at all. Let's cut over so you can also see that when I put it on a charger, you can see that it does immediately. You see that it is MagSafe compatible. You get the MagSafe charging logo and stays on no problem at all. Yeah, really great magnet in here. That this is definitely a truly MagSafe compatible phone case. So as you can see, fully MagSafe compatible. You got a case that looks really good, really unique, and just the fact that they have several, like I said, several different natural wood shades, colors, gradations, depending on the gradation of the wood. Again, real wood to look really good, but also offers that nice protection against falls, great covers on the buttons, great cutouts, and also fully MagSafe compatible. So really excellent, very beautiful, unique case by iATO. If you're looking for a case to protect your phone, but also something that's like, you know, maybe a little more elegant, maybe a little bit nicer, very unique for your personality, then these real wood cases by iATO are really, really awesome. Definitely a product that I would recommend. that's going to be it for this review. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those wizards down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, and if you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.